welcome back to Engine Garage. As you can see, I do have the S2000 kind of lift. It's kind of dangerous sideways on the driveway, but it's for a good reason, you know. Project S2000. So last time Project S2000, we did the intake on it, and we did a lot of stuff to it. Now I'm waiting for a sensor, a new clock for the fuel, and another couple things. Besides that, I had a new addition to the car today, and those are headers. And these headers are from 1320 headers. Thanks to Ruben, he helped me out. We got a new addition to the S2, and I'm gonna put this baby on and see how fast we can go down. Comes with two O2 sensor ports. So what I gotta do today, I'll take this cover off right here. And what I'm thinking is using the two top ones, get a number 10 right here. There's another one down there. This should come up. I gotta take this off. That should come up. And I should be able to get to the headers, take the headers off, from the top, then go on the bottom, disconnect it from the bottom. Hopefully, pray to God, everything is good. Put everything back together and turn it on, see how it sounds. I mean, it's gonna sound rough because I don't have the DPMs calibrated, but at least I can see how it feels, you know? Let's get to it. Hit like, hit share, subscribe. Let's make my boys happy. Alright guys, I'm gonna apologize this right now. If you hear me breathing hard, I have a bad asthma in my nose that I cannot breathe like a regular person. So sometimes I gotta take deep breaths when I'm talking to you guys. I apologize by that. How you can see, I took the cover off. And you see this wire right here? No, this is not from music. That's a straight wire to my starter so I can have power, because the original one was not getting enough shoes to the starter. So this one, since I had that done, I have less starters replacement since I had that done. So that is on the videos. Okay, so now I got the starter area deployed and about to start going at it. I do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts that I gotta take out, and then I gotta go underneath and take out the other one. So I'm gonna put a fast mode and I'm gonna start going at it. All right guys, how you can see, they're almost the same. That's the OEM one. It was a mission to get it out. This one, the OEM, goes from 4 to 2 to 1 and 1 by itself. This one goes 2 to 1 and 2 to 1, so you give a better flow. I'll put it back together. Whew, let you know. Hey guys, having the S2000 this high, this is scary shit. So what I'm about to do, I'm going to lower it down. I'm done on the bottom. Now I got to do the head and top. So with that set, lower that one first, and this one, that one, that one, that one. Get it on the floor. Now car's on the floor. The only thing I have to do is type bolt back on the headers, and I'm going to do that. I'm going to put you in fast mode so you can see that. replace the throttle body. So I got the headers, new throttle body in there. Next thing is going to be the tensioner valve. Beat the solenoid. I'm going to change it. And let me walk you around. Just kind of blowing black smoke right now. I got to get it tuned. Right now it's at 2.5 RPM. Car looks amazing. So the car looks amazing though. It takes 2.5 hours to do this on the floor. It's kind of crazy to do that headers on the floor. So this is actually a hot rubber a little bit right there. It sounds a lot better. And this weighs a lot. So that's a lot of weight. Guys, if you like contact like this with the S2000, hit me up, hit like, share, subscribe. Any question about what I just did, let me know. I owned this car for a couple of years. The AC is on and you can hear it ticking. That's the tensioner. You turn off the AC, it's more ticking. I also want to replace that, sorry, my camera's acting up. I want to replace that flea gate. And also I want to replace that throttle body, and ultimate I want to replace the intake. So I want to put a pro charger there. That's my goal. You can see the smoke. Woo. Alright guys. Car sounds amazing, I'm telling you. It does sound amazing. Sounds like a deep rumble. I like the way it sounds. It sounds very deep. So guys, thank you for watching, subscribing. It took me 2.5 hours, almost 3. Started at 9. It's almost 10:30, 11. Let's say 3 hours. You have to have your car leaning sideways. Not a joke. Be safe out there. If you own cars like this, old cars, restore them, don't crush them. The world's going, we don't know what's going to happen in the future. These right here make you happy for half an hour before the world comes back crashing on you. God bless you. Nos vemos, mi gente. Wow.